Muhammad Hassan. Please come on the podium and deliver speech on the topic of Independence Day.
Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, honorable guests, respected principal teachers, and dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank for giving me this golden opportunity to speak some words on the topic of Independence Day. Dear audience, today we all have gathered here to celebrate 77 Independence Day of our nation. Independence Day is the most important day to all Indians because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. We got independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla, Tipu Sultan, Shah Abdul Aziz Masjid Delhi, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Maulana Qasim Nanotwin, Maulana Nasir Ahmad Gangohi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and many others. Their whole life for the freedom of our country. Today we are developing repeatedly in the field of technology, education, sports, and many others which could not be possible without freedom. Here I wind up my speech. Thank you.